Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College, Kannada. Now your today's article is the electric field. If we place a charge Q at a distance r from a charge small q, it experiences a force. Hence, the region surrounding the charge Q in which it exerts an electric force on another charge capital Q is termed as the electric field of the charge Q. The intensity of electric field at a given point is defined as the electric force experienced by a unit positive charge placed at that point. Therefore, if a positive charge Q experience a force F, then the electric field intensity is given by E is equal to force F divided by Q. Or in general, E is equal to limit of Q tends to 0 F upon Q. The electric field intensity E at a point is defined as the limiting value of the ratio of the force F experienced by a charge Q placed at that point as the value of Q tends to 0. Therefore, electric field E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square dot r. If we consider a several point charges, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on up to Qn, then electric field at r, position vector r, is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation over I is equal to 1 to n qi upon ri square dot ri. This is the electric field at a point capital Q. Now field of a continuous charge distribution. Instead of a collection of discrete point charges Qi, we have the charge continuously distributed over same region. Then the sum becomes an integral. At this position, E of r is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration over 1 upon r square dot r dq. If the charge is spread out along the line, that is this is line charge, figure 13.3a, where lambda is the charge per unit length, then dq is equal to lambda dot dl dash. Therefore, at this position, E of r is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration over L lambda r dash upon r square dot vector r dot dl dash. For surface, that is in figure B of 13.3, That is, if sigma is the surface charge density, then dq is equal to sigma dot dA dash, where dA dash is the element of area of the surface. Then E of r is at this position is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration over surface. So it is yes, delta of r dash upon r square dot r vector r dot dA. And for volume charge with rho as the volume charge density, figure 3, then dq is equal to rho into d tau dash, where d tau dash is the volume element. Then E of r is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration of rho of r dash upon r square dot vector r dot d tau.